How to start a new account in Mobile Legends iOS. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to start a new account in Mobile Legends iOS. Start by opening the Mobile Legends app on your device. Once the game launches, you will be prompted to select your country. Next, choose your country from the list and click OK to proceed. Now, you will be asked to select a hero to begin the game. Pick your preferred hero and then click on Confirm. After that, follow the instructions to start playing the game. Your new account will be created and you can enjoy Mobile Legends on your iOS device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.